We are doing a waterfall, so we have to go to a jungle right now. So literally.
¿Son alérgicos a algo?
No todavía.
No todavía.
This is the other part. Now it's to get deeper here. We have to cross in the rope. We have a rope. Water is cold. Look at the kids. Henry, Raul, this way. Having fun?
Yeah.
See, Raul. It's cold. Huh? Cold. Oh. Mommy, está fría. Cold.
It's good. It's so hot. I need cold.
Henry, Raul.
Raúl se va a ir con él.
What do you think about it? Huh? Hey, Henry, what do you think about it? Henry? Huh?
It's cold. It's cold.
Cold?
Oh, it's cold.
Go drink the water. Water is cold, but feels good. Got more people coming.
It's cold when you get your head up.
It's so strong, the current is really strong. Nice. Woo! Vamos para arriba. Eso es, amigo, por acá. Por acá. Eso es. Sigue la cuerda, sigue la cuerda. Nice. Very good. Alrighty. Alright, guys, we made it. We made it. Right here. ¿Ah? Oh, Simba, okay. No te vayas, Raúl.
A mí me va a poner más joven.
They put this in your face.
Yes.
Woo! They put it in your face when you finish the trail, the tour.
It's a signal you survive it.
Woo! It's a signal that you survive. Woo! Look at that. Amigo, Ryan y a todos ustedes quiero agradecerles por la paciencia y por entendernos.
Que llegue cuando se tomara agua.
How you feel?
Está fuerte. Mira que vea que a él necesitamos un agua por experiencia. Otra cascada que fuimos aquí mismo.
Sí,
en
acá
el
el Toro. Allá fuimos allá sí.
Y lo que me mató fue no haber tenido agua. Yo andaba zombie ya así.
Imagina. El zombie le dicen a él.
Oh, it's a zombie.
Yo andaba como tú. Y ahora no me traje agua.
These guys are
Esta
awesome.
es de Costa Rican sign.
Costa Rican
Pura
sign.
vida.
Ah, sí, yo
Pura vida.
Esa es.
también.
En Hawái.
Raúl, take. Pura vida.
Pura vida, mae. Okay.
This is tired. Please make sure you bring water. But this is still the easy part. We have a big
What?
no, like going up pretty soon,
Hill,
coming
hill.
up a big hill, yeah, huge hill, and very stiff to still do. So hey, but it's nice, and in a way it kind of sucks because it was raining, but at the same time it's like nice because it's refreshing. It's not so hot or humid. So
it was pretty. What do you think about this
It was nice. It wasn't too long. It wasn't too difficult.
It was too difficult.
So water's cool. So whenever you're
Water's
sweating
cool.
like crazy in the hot days,
Bring
cools you down.
waterproof bag.
Come included.
Well, actually, yeah, come included with the trip. So you know, really, if you don't have it, you don't have to worry about it. Also, bring tennis shoes because
Water shoes.
water
general.
shoes are not appropriate for this kind of tour. All right, guys, I'm here in the Finca Curubanda. I want to show you the sign. This is where you do the water tour, and we just finished it. It was great. So I want to show you guys. This is the name of it. Right here. Okay, that's Finca Curubanda. That's if you want to do a waterfall. This is the guys right here. This is the man right there. And this is the tour guide that we take, and they did a great job. So I highly recommend it. What's your name?
Noel.
Noel?
Randy.
Randy. All right, so if you guys come here, ask for them.